For nearly 2 decades, smartphones have worked the same way. Need food? Open an app. Need a taxi? Open another app. Need to message someone? Open yet another app. But what if you never had to open an app again? That future may be arriving much sooner than people expect. Technology companies are racing to build a new generation of smartphones powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of tapping through dozens of applications, users simply speak. The phone does everything else, from ordering food to booking travel, to comparing prices, to sending messages, all through a single AI assistant. These devices are powered by what the industry calls AI agents. Unlike today's voice assistants, AI agents do not simply answer questions. They perform tasks using multiple apps, without requiring users to interact with those apps directly. If successful, this could become the biggest change to smartphones since the introduction of the App Store. And nowhere is this race moving faster than China. At the recent World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, several companies unveiled smartphones designed around AI agents instead of traditional apps. One of the biggest announcements came from smartphone manufacturer Nubia. The company introduced the Navix Ultra, powered by Dubao, China's hugely popular AI chatbot developed by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. The idea sounds simple. Instead of opening different apps, users simply tell the phone what they want. Order dinner, compare shopping prices, book services. The AI handles everything automatically. It sounds like the future, but there was one major problem. The phone depended on access to apps owned by other companies. Soon after launch, technology giants including Alibaba, Tencent, and JD.com restricted the assistant's access to their platforms. Without that access, many of the phone's most powerful features stopped working. ByteDance was eventually forced to disable several functions, including payment features, under certain circumstances. The first generation of the Dubao phone never reached its full potential. The incident revealed one of artificial intelligence's biggest challenges. The technology already exists. The business model does not. Major platforms want users opening their apps. If AI agents become the middleman, those companies lose direct relationships with customers. That means less advertising, less user data, and less control. According to industry experts, this remains one of the biggest obstacles facing AI agents today. Many believe agentic smartphones represent the future, but the technology still struggles with reliability. Even supporters admit performance can often be inconsistent. Nubia appears to have learned from those early problems. Instead of forcing its AI into third-party apps, the company says the Navix Ultra is designed to collaborate with platform owners, rather than compete against them. Nubia isn't the only company betting on this future. Another Chinese manufacturer, Honor, introduced what it calls the robot phone. Unlike a traditional smartphone, its camera sits on a small robotic arm that physically moves to follow users. The company says the device can recognize hand gestures, dance to music, automatically frame photos, and stabilize video while recording. When the phone launches later this year, it will include an AI agent built using several language models, including models developed with Alibaba, another company. StepFun introduced the StepX Neo. Described as an AI agent native smartphone, rather than replacing every app. StepFun has partnered directly with major Chinese platforms. These include Alipay and ride-hailing giant Dai. Because of those partnerships, the phone can already help users book travel, make purchases, access local services, improve productivity, and even edit videos without constantly switching between applications. China isn't alone. Outside China, companies are pursuing the same vision. Google continues adding increasingly advanced AI capabilities to Android, including features that can book appointments automatically. Meanwhile, American startup Brain Technologies partnered with SoftBank to launch its own natural AI phone in Japan. During demonstrations, the phone successfully messaged contacts simply from spoken instructions, but like many early AI systems, it also frequently failed to complete certain tasks. The technology is improving rapidly, but it is not yet perfect. Still, many industry experts believe the direction is already clear. Some predict that within 5 or 10 years, people may no longer use apps at all. Instead, AI agents could become the operating system itself. That would fundamentally change how smartphones work, how companies make money, and how the entire digital economy operates. The question is no longer whether AI will transform smartphones. The real question is, what happens when apps are no longer necessary?